I just saw this Hamza video, and it's titled something like, watch this video and I will make you a millionaire in 1 month, just like thousands of his other videos. And one of his advices, turn your brain off. He's promoting not using your critical thinking. And I understand that it's for you to not overthink too much, but it's just sounds so dumb. It sounds dangerous. Telling millions of people, especially children. A lot of children watch Hamza. I watched Hamza when I was younger. I was like 16 or 17 when I first watched him. He had a lot of great advices. He had a lot of great videos. I'm not a hater. I had a lot of advice from him from the past. Certainly not relationship advice. His relationship advice, most of it sucks. So, let's just go to the main topic. So he says, turn your brain off. Such a dumb and dangerous advice, telling millions of people, never turn your brain off. Always use critical thinking. You should never follow anyone blindly. Never follow their advices blindly. I'm not a hypocrite. I still ask advices from ChatGPT all the time, but I still don't follow it blindly. Because you should think for yourself. Sometimes the best advice for someone else is not the best advice for you. Sometimes you already know what's best for you. Turning your brain off or following advices or believing people blindly, believing what everyone says blindly, that's how scam happens. That's how cult works. If you want to be scammed, then okay, then turn your brain off. You want to be manipulated, okay, turn your brain off. But if you don't, always use your brain. Always use critical thinking and don't follow anyone's advice blindly, even mine. Either Hamza or your president or the pastor or the priest, they're only human. You shouldn't follow anyone's advices or what anyone is saying blindly. Always think for yourself. Always think what is right for yourself. That's just about it. I don't want this channel to be about calling someone out, to be about hate. I don't hate Hamza. It's just, I just found that particular advice to be dangerous. It's just way out of line. Is it the right phrase? Out of line? It's just too much. Too dangerous. I don't want people to be not thinking for themselves. I want people to think for themselves, so always use critical thinking. I don't want people to turn their brain off. Turn off their brain. Always use your brain. That's one advice I'd follow if I were you.